Nurlan Koparov, the Kazakh Minister of Environment and Water Resources, announced the cleaning of the ponds in Bodovoye Resort will be launched this year. The cleaning of the Nura River in the Karaganda region was completed. The section of Ilek River was cleaned with hexavalent chromium. Currently, work is underway to transition to a green economy and to improve the legislative framework. It is planned to expand the green area around Astana to 75,000 hectares by 2015 and secure continuous water supply by 2020. We developed a program of water resources management. It was submitted for approval. The program envisages the measures for reducing expected water shortages through modernization of infrastructure and using water conservation technologies in industry and agriculture.
В этой связи Министерству совместно с Министерством регионального развития необходимо провести скоординированную работу.
We need to cooperate with the Ministry of Regional Development. If one ministry controls central conduits, the other one controls distribution conduits. If these ministries do not cooperate, the people remain without water. Money is being spent for nothing. In order to avoid these problems, we will supervise the activity of the two ministries. The plan will be adopted by the Committee for Regional Policy.
Будем утверждать на Комиссии региональной политики.